InvestorIdeas.com podcasts.
Good afternoon and welcome to another InvestorIdeas.com podcast following cannabis news, stocks to watch, as well as insights from thought leaders and experts. Today we'll be looking at updates from Integrated Cannabis Company Incorporated, trading on the CSE as ICAN, Constellation Brands Incorporated, trading on the New York Stock Exchange as STZ, and Cannabis Growth Corporation, trading on the TSX as WEED. First, looking at Integrated Cannabis Company Incorporated, who announced the successful completion and positive results of a controlled trial of its proprietary sleep product. The controlled 60-patient trial was completed with a renowned pain clinic in Southern California, and the results were highly favorable, resulting in improvement in patient sleep patterns combined with the unexpected but highly desirable decrease in the level of pain. The study results have been published in the peer-reviewed journal International Journal of Pharmacy and Life Sciences. The unique formulation of ingredients in the X-Sprays trademark sleep supplement contributed to a significant improvement in sleep quality together with a reduction in daytime sleepiness, pain, and depression when compared to the control group. The study was conducted in a controlled and regulated clinical environment which prohibits the test of cannabis products. Therefore, the study was on our non-cannabinoid product. However, our experience with the infusion of CBD into the tested formulation has rendered profound increased benefits. Furthermore, we are actively seeking clinical study relationships in legal jurisdictions outside of North America for our cannabinoid-based products and expect to replicate the aforementioned study in the near term. The spray has the added benefit of being easy to use, is fast-acting, promotes a superb night's rest, and does not leave you feeling groggy in the morning, said Dr. Clive Spray, CSO of Integrated Cannabis. Moving on next to Constellation Brands, the owner of Corona, that recently announced a $4 billion investment into the world's largest publicly traded marijuana company, reported second quarter earnings that topped Wall Street expectations and sent the stock surging by as much as 4.5% in early trading today. In its earnings report released earlier this morning, the company said its two investments into Cannabis Growth Corporation have already netted it more than $1 billion in unrealized gains thanks to the marijuana producer's surging stock. Reported basis results reflect $639 million unrealized gain for an increase in fair value of the initial investment in Cannabis Growth Corporation. $1.3 billion unrealized gain has been recognized since investment in November of 2017, Constellation's brand said in its earnings release. This time last year, Cannabis Growth Corporation was trading at $11.87, whereas now it's up at $63. That's all for today's podcast. Podcast is now a certified word trademark on the blockchain through Cognate Incorporated CM certification. And InvestorIdeas.com podcasts are also available on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play Music, Stitcher, iHeartRadio, Spreaker, and TuneIn. If you'd like to be a guest or sponsor of this podcast, please contact InvestorIdeas.com. InvestorIdeas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded that all investments involve risk and possible loss of investment. Investor Ideas does not condone the use of cannabis except where permissible by law. Our site does not possess, distribute, or sell cannabis products.